Hi, and welcome to the Merrill Manufacturing YouTube channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to fix a leak out of the packing nut on our E5000 series hydrant. The only tool needed for this fix is a 7/16 open-end wrench, and the water supply may be left on. As you can see here, water begins to pool around the packing nut, notifying you that it's time to adjust. To fix the leak, tighten the packing nut a half turn, dry the pooled water, and cycle the hydrant lever, checking for a continued leak. If leaking continues, repeat the process until the nut is tight or the leaking stops. In the occurrence that the leaking continues after the packing nut is tight, the installation of a new packing is necessary. To install the new packing, a few additional tools are needed. 2 7/16 open-end wrenches, a 7/8 open-end wrench, a tape measure, and a cup for holding water. New packing is available for purchase using our contact information in the description below. Begin by shutting off the hydrant's water supply. Then remove the hydrant's lever bolt and nut, lever casting, jaw straps, pivot connector and hex head bolt, and the packing nut. Since the original packing remains in the packing gland, we recommend shaving off 1/8 of an inch of the new packing. Now place the 1/8 inch of packing into the packing gland and on top of the existing packing. Place the pivot connector on top of the packing nut and fasten the jaw straps, bent inward, to the pivot connector and lever. Place and tighten the lever bolt through the head casting, jaw straps, and lever. Lift the lever about 3 inches, making sure the operating rod doesn't catch on the pivot connector, and secure the hex head bolt to the operating rod. This applies pressure from the lever to the plunger, ensuring that the water flow is off when the lever is down. You may now turn on the water supply and enjoy a leak-free E5000. For questions, products, or more information, please visit our website at www.merrillmfg.com. Find us on Facebook at Merrill Manufacturing Co. or call us at 800-831-6962. Thanks for watching.